What's up, guys? I don't know if you noticed it or not, but the Mittens bot is back on chess.com. I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to check it out and play Mittens yourself. Don't be fooled by the 1 rating. Trust me when I say Mittens is not rated 1. If you've had experience in the past playing Mittens, you know what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to play Mittens, and I've given myself a little bit of an upgrade here. Notice instead of the 2 knights, I have 2 rooks sitting on b1 and g1. And we're going to see if this is enough for me to take down Mittens. Let's go ahead. Good luck, Mittens. And by the way, I don't actually know the rules here with castling. I guess I have to get the rook out of the way before I can castle, which, now that I'm thinking about it, is probably not going to be easy to do. So, okay, he wants to play d5, clearly. Let me go bishop g5. I think it would make sense for me to trade some pieces off and try to get towards an end game. I feel like I should maybe use these rooks to attack. But he hasn't castled yet. Let me just go here. Okay, well, there we go. So now I think we just do it. I think we take here, and I think we launch an attack. Question is exactly how to do that. Let me go queen h5. Let's just go back. I really wish I could castle, but all right, let me go here, and I'm gonna bring all the rooks over. Oh, I don't like what's happening here. I'm gonna bring all the rooks over here. This is so funny. All right, let's go back here. Mittens, stop it. Stop it, Mittens. What are you doing? Let's just go here and we'll keep it simple. Oh, he's trying to see what he's trying to do. I think. He wants to bring the rook over, take here. So let me go ahead and defend. Okay, I didn't see that idea. Yeah, all right. Well, you know what? Maybe I have to be a little more careful here with my 2 rooks advantage. You know what I'm going to do? I have an idea. Hold on. Well, let me try one more time, and if this isn't enough, I'm going to just make them all rooks. I think that might be fair. But let's just give it one more shot. Let's play d4 this time. Maybe I need to change it up. You know what? Let's use the rooks, right? I have them. I may as well use them. What is he doing? Queen d6. What kind of a move is that? Okay. Push. Let's trade off this bishop. Ah, he doesn't want to trade the bishop. What if I just tried to do that? See, what he's doing is he's not letting my rooks get into the game, so I got to fix that. I got to force my way in with the rooks here. Go b4 as well. a4. The rooks have to be involved. That's a must. He's taking advantage of this square, which is kind of annoying, but all right, I could castle. Aha. Okay. That's pretty nice. Go back here. There we go. We got rid of 1 bishop. He wants to go probably knight f5. We're doing pretty well. Yeah, I don't know if I want to totally lock it up. I don't think so. What do I want to do, though? That's the question. Let me go a5. And b5. Let's just keep the rooks in the game as much as we can here. Let me just go right here. Okay. I'm going to take this opportunity to... What is he trying to do? I don't really know. I'm going to just develop a piece. Yeah, perfect. Let's trade that off. That's great. That is great. I'm okay giving up that square. I want to just defend here. Ooh. See, it just happens that fast. One blunder, and you're done for. But why was e3 so bad? Because he had this tactic before, right? Man. All right. Wow. Okay. Go f4. man. Yeah, he's just going to push those pawns. I'm not going to win this game. All right, you know what? The rooks are not enough. We need to bump this up a little bit because I'm not ending this video until I beat Mittens. Here's what we're going to do. How do you like that, Mittens? How do you like that? Practice against the computer. Here we go. Change the bot. Where's Mittens at? There he is. All right. Let's play a different opening. Let's do it this way. Do it this way. Let's just push those pawns. See, he always gets this little blockade, which is really annoying. Super annoying. Put my queen here. Go here. All right, I'm going to have to sacrifice a rook at some point. So maybe I'll just do it right now. Fine. Let me go here. Doesn't want to take it. He doesn't want to take it. Isn't that interesting? He wants to go with his knight there, so let me move my king. Now he takes it. Oh, because it's a fork. I've got to be able to win with the rooks, right? There's no way that Mittens can just beat me over and over again when I have all of these rooks, right? Okay. Maybe we break the rules of chess here. Maybe because normally the center, the bishops can come out, the knights can come out. I need to get the rooks into the game. Let's go with G3. Let's go with G4. Rook here. I'm gonna try not to give those knights like squares to go to. Let's see if we can. There goes a pawn. Right. Okay. I'm gonna restart. I'm already frustrated. I'm getting tilted. Mittens is doing it again. All right. Let's go D4. I mean, I do think it makes sense to castle. So maybe we just make that our goal. Very simple goal here. Yeah, that's fine. You can take that rook if you want. Take that rook if you would like. Let's shut down the knight. I have to defend this. Let's go E3. Okay, I do want a castle still, so let me go here. I'm not going to be able to castle. That's the problem. Okay, now I can. All right. There's got to be something that I can do here. Let's expand on the... Wow. He's just going to take it for free. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. We're going to play again. New plan. New plan. Okay. We're off to a good start here. Question is, how do I use the rooks? You just can't use them easily. Just can't use them. Here we go again. Here we go again. You know what? Let me go ahead and trade for the two pieces. Oh, wow. Not my best idea. All right. maybe it's not as much of an advantage as I think it is. I mean, it's definitely an advantage, but it's not an easy advantage to use. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do, Mittens. Here's what we're going to do. I'm gonna start swapping out the pawns. What I'm gonna do. Start swapping out the pawns. Much of an advantage do I need? This should do it. This should do it. Practice first computer. Uh-huh. Change the bot. Come on, Mittens. Let's see what you're going to do now when I have pieces that I know how to use. Okay. Knight to f3. Oh, yes. Feeling very good now. Feeling very good now. Yeah, he can take that. That's okay. You can take that if you want. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Trade it off. Let me just go queen e2. We castle this way. Feeling very good now, guys. Feeling real good. Let's see. I'm totally willing to sacrifice a piece here. We need to. Absolutely willing to do that. Yep. This one we can just trade. These knights. Let's go here. I didn't see that, but it's all right. It's all right. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to do it. We're going to sacrifice here on Mittens. Maybe I want to save this first. Wow, there's so many knights here. Let's see. What's the best way to do this? Can I go here? Can I go here? 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 All right. What's happening now? He wants to take this and trade queens. I have a check. All right, we're in pretty good shape. Let's see. Let's deal with this problem, maybe. Can I save that knight at the same time? Three. How is he? He's surviving? I'm only up one piece? How did I throw away all my knights? I mean, I know I sacked some of them. I thought I had like 4 extra knights. This is amazing. It's just actually amazing. Because it looks like I'm just losing the knight here. What am I missing? Oh, is it? No, because he just takes it. I really don't know. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He comes out in this endgame. It's amazing. Amazing. Can we still win? Can we still win? Doesn't look like it. Nope, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose the game. Or maybe get a draw. Alright, we're playing again. We're playing again. Knight f3, knight c3. Come on, Mittens. Let's see. Let's just play smart. Let's just play smart. Trading pieces is definitely good. Castling's got to be pretty good. Getting this bishop out's got to be good. Multiple trades like that has to be good. Haven't even lost a piece yet. Okay, can we just go checkmate the cat? Can we just do that? Let's go h4. Ah, okay. H5. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make him trade the queens. I'm gonna make him trade the queens. Yes. Yes. I can sense it, guys. Mittens is going down this time. Going down. Here come the rooks. Here comes the knight. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to do something interesting here. I'm going to do something really interesting here. We're going to go for the 4 knights. Do I have auto queen? Here. Perfect. Come on, Mittens. Come on. This is going to be nice. Wait, how do I do? Oh, no. Now I gotta actually think because I might lose again. I mean, not lose, but I might draw. Let's see. Those are defended, so I can come over here. Gotta take the pawns, and now I gotta checkmate with the 3 knights. Okay. Okay, Mitten. Okay. Here we go. How do we do this? The 3 knight checkmate. Go here. Go here. How did that happen? I've never been more tilted by a cat in my life. I'm out of water too. Rough morning. Rough morning. How? You play games, these things can happen. I'm gonna rage quit. I said I was gonna go until I won, but I don't think I can play another move after that. Maybe we'll try this again another day when I'm calmed down. Let me know if you guys are able to beat Mittens with a ton of extra knights, because clearly I can't do it.